Good morning. Ride tayo ngayon papuntang Lubo. Ride out natin 9 o'clock ng umaga kaya medyo mainit na. Daan natin dito sa Lubo Taysan Road. Pinili natin dumaan dito kasi mas malapit yung daan dito compare dun sa kabila. Doon sa may Monte Maria. Pupunta nga pala tayong Lubo para sumunod dun sa outing ng mga kasamahan ko sa simbahan at ng aking mag-ina. Chance ko na rin to para marating ang Lubo ng nakabisikleta lang. Ang pupuntahan natin ay yung Dili Beach Resort dun sa may barangay Olo-Olo dun sa Lubo. Chinek ko sa Google Maps yung layo nung pupuntahan ko at 37.1 kilometers doon. So ang tansya ko is mga 2 hours ko babiyahihin to. Pamilyar naman tayo dito sa kalsada dito kasi siguro almost once a month is dumadaan tayo dito palagi. Dito na tayo sa may barangay San Jose Sico. Then yung sunod dito yung bayan ng Taysan. God first, Taysan, bayan kong mahal. Ang galing ng welcome arc nila dito kasi pag nakita ng mga taga rito, nire-remind sila na unahin talaga nila ang Diyos. Medyo traffic ngayon dito kasi maraming kalsada na inaayos ngayon dito. My flesh and my heart may fail, but God is the strength of my heart and my portion forever. From Psalm chapter 73 verse 26. Ito yung verse natin ngayon para sa vlog na to. A Strong Heart, written by Bill Crowder. Sa librong ginawa ni na Philip Yancey at Dr. Paul Brand na Fearfully and Wonderfully Made, may sinabi si Paul tungkol sa puso. Napansin niya na tumitibok ang puso ng hummingbird ng 800 beses kada minuto at 10 beses naman kada minuto ang puso ng balyena. Parang nakakaumay naman ang ginagawang pagtibok ng puso ng tao. Tumitibok kasi ito ng 100,000 beses. Gayunpaman, ginagawa pa rin ng puso ang kanyang trabaho ng walang pahinga habang nabubuhay ang isang tao. Sadyang kahanga-hanga ang ating puso na siyang nagpapalakas sa atin, na ilalarawan rin ng puso ang buo nating pagkatao. Gayunpaman, pisikal man itong puso o isang paglalarawan lamang, pareho ito na maaring manghina. Sa ganitong kondisyon, ano ang dapat nating gawin? Sinabi naman ni Asaph na siyang namumuno sa pag-awit ng mga Israelita. Puso ko't kaluluwa, kung nanghihina man, ang Diyos ang lakas kong tanging kailangan. Tama si Asaph na ang Diyos ang siyang nagpapalakas sa ating puso at kaluluwa. Siya ang buhay na Diyos na makapangyarihan sa lahat. Bilang isang dakilang manlilikha, perpekto at walang limitasyon ang kanyang kapangyarihan. Kaya naman, sa tuwing humaharap tayo sa matitinding pagsubok, maalala nawa natin ang mga natutunan ni Asaph. Alalahanin natin na ang Diyos ang siya nagbibigay lakas sa atin. Makakasumpong tayo ng kapahingahan at kalakasan sa Diyos sa araw-araw.
been in and out my mind since I hit your phone. I've been counting up the times that I did you wrong. I just want you by my side when I get real gone. Feel it's been a little while since we got along, yeah. We've been playing stupid games, the situation rotates. And they say communication, safe relations, okay. Medicated how I'm patient, wasting time ain't the way. Cause I can see it on your face. I've been tossing, turning, staying up all night long. I've been calling, yearning, wondering what I did wrong. I could tell by your eyes you got something to hide. So open your mind up, let me inside, and let's make it right. Tell me, baby, what's the problem? Cause I keep trying to figure it out. Oh no, oh no. Tell me, baby, what's the problem? I'm only picking up what you're putting down. You'll be tripping, I don't know what about. So what's the problem right now? Okay, now hold up. Let me get something right off my chest. I've been meaning to read into it, time to put it to rest. Is it stress? Is it that I ain't answer your text? Don't you treat it like amnesia, you know I always forget. Stirring the pot real hot, watch how the plot thickens. Around the clock, tick tock, need more than 20 seconds to get your attention before it's on to the next thing. And I'm over here again wondering, can I hold ya, hear your truth, pull you closer, talk it through?
Girl, you know that I'm the one that you can come and complain to. Your silhouette's amazing, but your brain is a maze too.
So can you help me find my way while I find something to say?
I know the arguing just augments everything going both ways, but baby, I can see it on your face.
I've been tossing, turning, staying up all night long. I've been calling, yearning, wondering what I did wrong. I could tell by your eyes you got something to hide. So open your mind up, let me inside, and let's make it right. Tell me, baby, what's the problem? Cause I keep trying to figure it out. Oh no, oh no. Tell me, baby, what's the problem? I'm only picking up what you're putting down. You'll be tripping, I don't know what about. So what's the problem right now?
burning like a fire. What you gonna do when it crumbles down? Watch it get higher, down to the wire. Will you let it burn till we almost drown? Higher, goodbye, honey, where do we lie? Where you're headed, am I going there too? I don't wanna ask why, wanna give this a try with you. And if you wanna go, I'll follow. I won't let you go alone, 'cause it's a big pill to swallow, but you won't do it on your own. And if you wanna go, I'll follow. I won't let you go alone. I don't care what happens now, where we go, how far and how. If you wanna go, I'll follow. You go. Your heart set, I don't wanna jump half-hearted. Gotta get your feet wet, gotta give what you get. I don't wanna finish where we started. Like the river flowing, tell me where we're going. Take me to a place that's brand new. With every second growing, time feels like it's slowing with you. And if you wanna go, I'll follow. I won't let you go alone.
Breathe you in like oxygen. Oh, in an otherwise suffocating world, I'm reaching out for arms, I'm drowning. future that lasts. Change my heart, change my mind. For the last time, wanna believe in the life I've led. I don't wanna leave another word unsaid. You know my heart will follow you in tomorrow. In tomorrow. Shared my evidence you once really cared. I'm reaching for a hand to pull me up, up. One open to an everlasting love. Exhale the past, inhale the future that lasts. Change my heart, change my mind. For the last time, wanna believe in the life I've led. I don't wanna leave another word unsaid. You know my heart will follow you in tomorrow. In tomorrow.
Thank you so much for watching this random little video. I hope it helped in some way.